Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have on mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Bitcoin cash cost will hit $700 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $800 toward the finish of 2030. Bitcoin Cash will ascend to $1,000 inside the time of 2034. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $446.27, so the cost expanded by 72% from the very start of the year. The determined Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $721, and the year-to-year change plus 178%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 62%. In 2024, we hope to see $681 per one Bitcoin Cash. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will drop to $681. In the final part, the cost would lose $38 and close the year at $643, which is plus 44% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $3.448. Monday, blemish $4.450. Tuesday, blemish $5.452. Wednesday, blemish $6.454. Thursday, blemish $7.456. Friday, blemish $8.458. Sunday, blemish $10.462. Walk $15.472. April $15.532. May $15.591. June $15.652. July $15.684. August $15.691. Bitcoin Cash expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $643 to $809, which is up 26%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $643, then take off to $759 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $694. That implies plus 56% from today. Bitcoin Cash value forecast 2024-2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $275.91, so the cost expanded by 6% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $352, and the year-to-year change plus 36%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 28%. In 2024, we hope to see $332 per one Bitcoin Cash. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $416. In the last part, the cost would add $33 and close the year at $449, which is plus 63% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $449 to $764, which is up 70%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $449, then take off to $530 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $470. That implies plus 70% from today. Bitcoin Cash forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $764 to $912, which is plus 19%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $764, then at that point dip to $718 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $758. It is about plus 175% from today. Stuza 1204. Bitcoin Cash value expectation 2024-2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $232.78, so the cost diminished by 10% from the start of the year. The Guaj Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $247, and the year-to-year change 5%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 6%. In 2024, we hope to see $233 per one Bitcoin Cash. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $292. In the final part, the cost would add $23 and close the year at $315, which is plus 35% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $315 to $536, which is up 70%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $315, then at that point take off to $372 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $330. That implies plus 42% from today. Bitcoin Cash expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $536 to $639, which is plus 19%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $536, then dip to $504 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $532. It is about plus 129% from today. 0.1152 Bitcoin Cash value forecast 2024-2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $252.80, so the cost diminished by 3% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $241, and the year-to-year change 7%. The tumble from today to year-end, 5%. In 2024, we hope to see $255 per 1 Bitcoin Cash. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will drop to $227. In the last part, the cost would add $51 and close the year at $278, which is plus 10% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $278 to $322, which is up 16%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $278, then, at that point, dip to $254 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $235. That implies 7% from today. Bitcoin Cash expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $322 to $455, which is plus 41%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $322, then dip to $303 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $320. It is about plus 27% from today. So 1-2-4. Bitcoin Cash value forecast 2024-2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $258.61, so the cost diminished by 0% from the outset of the year. The determined Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024